Today, I'm going to show you how I hacked unlimited likes on comments using broken access control on none other than Geeks for Geeks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into ethical hacking, bug bounty, and real-world case studies, you're in the right place. I'm Ronak, also known as Biscuit, a security researcher and bug bounty hunter. In each video, I break down real bugs I found, step by step in simple English so anyone can understand. Whether you're just starting out or already hunting, there's something here for you. So let's jump into today's story. Geeks for Geeks, or GFG, they also have a community section where users can write blogs, comment, and engage with others. That's where I found a juicy bug. Sounds normal, right? But here's the catch. When I added a comment and intercepted the request using Burp Suite, I saw two suspicious parameters in the response: upvotes 0 and is pinned false. Now, these parameters weren't in the original request. They were coming from the server. That got me thinking, what if I inject them manually into my request? So I added upvotes 10,000 and is pinned true and sent the modified request. Boom! Just like that, my comment got a massive boost in likes and was pinned to the top. No authentication, no validation, pure broken access control. This vulnerability allowed me to manipulate likes on any comment and control pinning behavior, something that should be strictly limited to admin or backend logic. Lesson: always validate permissions server-side. Never trust user input blindly. And to platforms like GFG, even the smallest community features can become a threat vector if not secured properly. I did try to report this issue through their official channels, but unfortunately, they never replied to my email. Eventually, though, the vulnerability got silently fixed. That's it for today's bug bounty breakdown. If you found this interesting, drop a like. And hey, if you're into hacking, bug bounty, or just love hearing about real-world exploits, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a drop. Your support keeps me motivated to dig deeper, find more bugs, and share them with you all. See you in the next one. Stay curious, stay ethical, and keep hacking.